All right, let's make overnight cinnamon French toast casserole. The kind that looks like a brunch spread, tastes like dessert, and survives mild kitchen chaos. I've got Lucy on Team Structural Damage and Violet on Team Follow the Recipe. I'm just here to keep the walls standing. Step 1. Bread. Brioche challah, or a day-old French bread. Tear it into big, craggy pieces. Violet places them gently like a museum curator. Lucy treats it like a competitive sport. Pile the chunks into a buttered 9x13 dish. Custard time, the heart of the thing. In a large bowl, crack 6 eggs, 2 cups milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 2-cup granulated sugar, 1 3-cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Violet whisks like she's conducting a tiny orchestra. Lucy contributes enthusiasm. Smooth is the goal. Pour the custard over the bread. Press the top gently so everyone takes a nice little custard bath. It'll look like a construction project that found feelings. Cover tightly and refrigerate overnight. Not optional. That long soak is what gives you the soft, custardy center that makes people swear it's a holiday tradition, even in July. Morning, streusel. 1 2-cup flour, 1 2-cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of salt. Add 6 tablespoons cold butter. Cut into cubes. Pinch and toss until you've got pea-sized crumble. Violet makes perfect crumbs. Lucy accidentally adds extra butter like there's a sponsorship involved. Honestly, not mad. That's the crunch. Preheat to 350 degrees, 175 degrees. Uncover the casserole, scatter the streusel evenly, and bake 40-50 minutes. Golden on top set around the edges and a soft, custardy middle. If it's jiggly like a waterbed, give it a few more minutes. If it's bronzing too fast, foil the top. Optional but encouraged. In the last 5 minutes, dot with a few butter flakes because we've come this far. Let it rest 10 minutes. Dust with powdered sugar like snow you can actually enjoy, and add fresh berries for plausible deniability. Maple syrup on the side for the sweet tooths. Yes, plural. Tasting notes. Violet takes a thoughtful bite, nods like balance, texture, cinnamon bloom. Lucy inhales powdered sugar straight from the plate and declares it breakfast dessert. She's right. We're calling it a casserole, so adults feel okay about thirds. Make ahead payoff. You did the work last night. You look like a brunch genius this morning. It's easy, comforting, and just chaotic enough to be fun. If you've got a Lucy and a Violet in your kitchen, this recipe is dog-proof, kid-proof, and melt into your chair good. Save this for holidays, house guests, or Tuesdays. Tear, whisk, soak, sleep, bake, devour. That's the move. All right, plates out, coffee poured, and try to keep the structural damage under a medium. Enjoy.